Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Nersus Media. Myself Mallikarjun Nersu and I'm sharing the Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis and Nifty analysis for tomorrow on daily basis. So, first of all, I would like to request all the viewers, if you are looking for the Nifty analysis for tomorrow or Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction or Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow, Bank Nifty option prediction or Nifty option prediction, you can check these timelines in the description below. If you want to see that particular part, you can directly jump into that part by clicking on the timestamp which was given in the description below. Okay, if you don't want to watch all the video, you can directly jump into that part and watch the data whatever you want. Okay, and I request you to please like the video, share this video to friends and family members and well wishers, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon once you get the subscribe for to get the notifications whenever I post the updates. Thank you. Thanks for understanding. Now let's jump into the market. Today Nifty 50 has lost 224 points, which is of 1.54%, and has ended at 14,324 points. Nifty Bank has lost 286 points, which is of 0.86%, and has ended at 33,006 points. Nifty Next 50 has lost 755 points. Nifty Midcap has lost 143 points. Nifty Financial Services has lost 129 points, which is of 0.83%, and has ended at 15,474 points. If you see the advances and declines under the Nifty 50, there are 5 advances and 45 declines under Nifty 50 today, that is of 25th March 2021. So let us see who are the top 5 gainers and losers under the Nifty 50 today. So the top 5 gainers under the Nifty 50 are: Tata Steel has gained 2.87%, Tata Reddy has gained 0.78%, ICICI Bank has gained 0.55%, HDFC has gained 0.50%, LT has gained 0.35%. Let us see the top 5 losers under the Nifty 50 are: so IOC has lost 4.02%, Maruti has lost 3.88%, Coal India has lost 3.40%, Bharti Airtel has lost 3.14%, Hindustan Unilever has lost 3%. So these are the top 5 gainers and losers under the Nifty 50 for today. If you see who has majorly contributed for the downfall of the Bank Nifty today, Bank Nifty has lost nearly 1000 plus points from the beginning today, and it gets recovered and starts its uptrend again today. So for the downfall of the Bank Nifty, HDFC Bank has contributed 123 points for the downfall of the Bank Nifty today. Axis Bank has contributed 57 points for the downfall of the Bank Nifty today. Kotak Bank has contributed 55 points for the downfall of the Bank Nifty today. SBI has contributed 34 points for the downfall of the Bank Nifty today. And for the reversal of the trend of the Bank Nifty, earlier at 1:30, 2 o'clock, HDFC Bank has contributed 250 points for the downfall of the Bank Nifty, and there is a positive trend has happened in the HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. So HDFC Bank, a slight positive went into that from after 2 o'clock, 1:30, 2 o'clock, and ICICI Bank has contributed 50 points in the uptrend of the Bank Nifty today, which is of reversal trend of Bank Nifty today. So majorly these banks has contributed for the downfall of the Bank Nifty today, and in the last 1 hour, 1.5 hour, ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank has majorly contributed for the reversal of the Bank Nifty today. As I always mention in every video, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank are the major two contributors either for the downfall of the Bank Nifty or uptrend of the Bank Nifty on that particular trading day. So if you see as an example today, till 1:30, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank both are in red in the downfall. After 1:30, they went. There is some positive trend happened, and from that downtrend, trend get reversed and went into the positive from after 1:30 today. So hence, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank are the major contributors. Whenever you are not able to uh, observe the trend in the bank nifty, you can check the trend of the HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank, so that you can take the trade in the bank nifty index or bank nifty future. So let me share the results of the given views yesterday for today's trade, that is of 25th March 2021. So Nifty 50 has closed yesterday at 14,564 points, and today it opens at 14,570 points, and I have given the sell call at 14,526. If you want to check, you can check it in the previous video which I posted yesterday. And from 14,526, it made a low of 14,265. I have given the final target as 14,250. Okay, so almost 200 points are here, 200 plus points, 14,520 to 14,260. So let us assume you have exited the trade at 300, 14,300, let us assume. So hope you guys book here at least 200 to 20 points in the downfall of the Nifty today. And as I said, there may be some sideways happened here from 14,400, and finally the downfall was happened and went to up to 14,265 and then bounces back. Okay, hope you guys at least book your profit at least 200 points or 100 points at 50 point at least. Hope you have booked the profit in today's trade. So this is the power of the technicals. Okay, not mine. This is the power of technicals. I just studying the technicals and shared my views about the technicals to you, which will be, I thought it will be helpful to you. If it really helps to you, I request you to please click on the like button, share this video to your friends and family members, share in Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups, so that many people will come to know that this video is helpful, and it will be helpful to me also, so that many viewers, if many viewers are saying, it will boost me up to make the continuous videos for you. So now let me share the results of the given views yesterday for today's trade for bank nifty. So yesterday bank nifty was closed at 33,370, and today the bank nifty was opened at 33,420, and I have given the sell call at 33,150, 160, and it made a low of 32,420. See, from it today it opens at 33 33,420 and made a low of 32,420. 1,000 points was happened, 1,000 points fall was happened, and I have given the sell call at 33,150 to 33,420. See, 120 points and 500, 580 points. Nearly 700 points downfall was happened from my sell call. So hope you guys book at least 500 points in this sell view, which was given yesterday for today's trade. And as I said, here some 32,900 and 32,700, there is a sideways happened, and then fall happens again, and from 32,400 also there is a bounce back will come, as I said in the video. If you want to check the video, the accuracy of the video which I'm sharing now, If you want to check the levels, you can compare with my previous video, which was what levels I have given yesterday, and you can check this with the live trading system in the bank nifty today. Okay, I'm not giving any false assumptions. So if you have any doubtfulness, you can go back and check the previous video and note down the levels and come back to this video, and you can watch these levels again whether it reaches or not. So so it made a low of 32,420. As I said, from 32,400 the bounce back will happen. So the bounce back has happened here, and again the bank nifty was recovered up to 33,540, and I have given the buy call also here at nearly 33, 400, 450, 460, like that, around 33, 485, 500. I have given the buy call. So here 40 points. I hope you guys not taken this call because it was happened in the last try. If you are taken if you must have book a profit of 40 points if you are in the aware of the bank nifty, if you are most active in the trade. Okay, so these are the everything is based on the technicals, not on any assumptions. The accuracy was given by me, by in the views of me, which was given in the videos. It is purely based on the technicals. It's the power of the technicals which I am using. So I'm thankful to those technicals for the gurus who taught me these technicals for to be more accurate in the levels for to trade at any time. I'm not able to give the levels in the live market because I'm committed in some other works, so I'm not able to give the levels in the live trading. Hence, I'm giving these levels both buy levels and sell levels. So it will be, I thought it will be helpful for you. So if the market goes on positive side and if the market goes on negative side, you may take as a trader, we have to be ready for every trend to catch the opportunity. Okay, now let me share the nifty analysis for tomorrow. So that is of 26th March 2021. So Nifty 50 was closed at 14,346 points today, that is of 25th March 2021. Today Nifty 50 was closed at 14,346 points. So our Nifty analysis for tomorrow, our buy call will be activated at 14,400 for the Nifty target of 14,460, for the Nifty target of 14,480, for the Nifty target of 14,500, 14,530, 14,600, 14,620, 14,640, 14,700, 14,730, 14,760, 14,800, 14,830, 14,860, and the final target of 14,900. Why are given this much of levels? If some gap up will happen, so our small targets will automatically achieved, because if it opened, there may be a huge trend may happen tomorrow or like that. So I'm expecting there is something going to happen, hence I'm giving this much of levels. If you have missed this level, you can take at this level. If you have missed this level, you can take at this level. If you have missed this level, you can take at this level. So that's why I'm giving this much of targets, and this much of nifty targets and nifty levels was given. Hope you guys noted down these levels. If you are not noted down these levels, I request you to please replay this video and watch the levels again and note down these levels and be stick to the levels which was given in the video. So now let me share the nifty analysis for tomorrow for the downtrend of the nifty tomorrow. So nifty 50 Nifty analysis for tomorrow. Our Nifty 50 sell call will be activated at 14,250 for the Nifty target of 14,200, for the Nifty target of 14,180, 14,150, 14,110, then 14,050, 14, 13,970, 13,990. So our final target is from 13,990. The next Nifty target is 13,930 and the final target is 13,880. Okay, so from our sell call will be activated at 14,252 for the final Nifty target of 13,880. So hope you guys noted down these levels. If you are not noted down, I request you to please replay this video and watch the levels again and note down these levels and be stick to the levels which was given in the video, and be stick to the levels which was given in the video. So now let me share the Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. So today Bank Nifty was closed at 33,028 points. So our Bank Nifty buy call, our Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. So our buy call under the Bank Nifty will be activated at 33,250 for the Bank Nifty target of 33,350, 33,440, 33,530, 33,570, 33,630, 33,740, 33,800, 33,870, 33,930, 33,980, 34,060, 34,205, and the final target of 34,270. Okay, these are the Bank Nifty buy levels, Bank Nifty buy targets. So our buy call will be activated at 33,250 for the Bank Nifty targets of this up to the final Bank Nifty target of 34,270. So hope you guys noted down these levels. If you are not noted down, I request you to please replay this video and note on these levels. If the Bank Nifty continues its downtrend tomorrow also, so our sell call for the Bank Nifty will be activated at 32,820 for the Bank Nifty target of 32,680, for the Bank Nifty target of 32,470, 32,230, 32,050, 31,820, 31,570, 31,280, 31,160, 30,990, and for the final Bank Nifty target of 30,770. Sorry, 30,700. So these are the Bank Nifty targets for tomorrow. Under the downtrend of the Bank Nifty, sell call will be activated at here, which is of 32,828, 30. So these are the Bank Nifty levels for tomorrow. Bank Nifty levels and Bank Nifty targets for tomorrow. If you are not noted on these levels, I request you to please replay this video and watch the levels again and note down these levels and be strict to the levels which was given in the video, because everything is based on the technicals, not on any assumptions. I will not depend on any news. I will follow the technicals again. I'm mentioning this. So here, so once the Bank Nifty positive mode, once the Bank Nifty was started here from 33,200 to 32,250, it may go up to 33,400. So that may from here for the first target from 33,370, it may bounce back again. If it crosses up to 33,700, there may be a chance of sideways, or sideways may happen or may get reversal from here. So you should be very active in the market. So once you have taken the trade, you should be very active in the market. So up to 33,700, 33,800, you should be very active. Once it crosses the 33,800, it may go up to 34,000, 34,200. Okay. So, and at the same time, if you see for the Nifty 50, under the Nifty 50 also 14,400 is the crucial level. Once it crosses this 14,400 up to here, you should be very active. Once it crosses this 14,600 and 14,600 to 14,700, there may be a reversal happens. And once it crosses, it goes up to 14,800. From 14,800, once it crosses, it go up to 15,000. So 14,600 is the crucial point, 14,800 is the crucial point. So in between there may be a sideways also happen, so you should be very active in the trade. Okay, now let me share the Nifty option prediction for tomorrow. So our Nifty options will be activated. So once the Nifty has crossed this level, which is of 14,400, he or she can buy the strike price of 14,450 CE. And at the same time, if the Nifty 50 has crosses this level in the downtrend, which is of 14,250, he or she can buy the strike price of 14,200 PE. Okay, so our Nifty option prediction for tomorrow would be, so 14,200 PE and 14,450 CE. These are the Nifty options for tomorrow, Nifty option levels for tomorrow to be taken on Friday, that is of 26 March 2021. And at the same time, if you see for the Bank Nifty options for tomorrow, so Bank Nifty options, once the Bank Nifty has crossed this level, which is of 33,250, 240, so once it crosses, he or she can buy the strike price of 33,300 PE. And once the Bank Nifty has crosses this level, which is of 32,828, 30, he or she can buy the strike price of 32,700 PE. So our Bank Nifty options for tomorrow would be 32,700 PE and 33,300 CE. These are the Bank Nifty options for tomorrow. These are the Bank Nifty option levels for tomorrow. Hope you guys noted down these levels and be stick to the levels. Once again, I'm saying be stick to the levels which was given in the video, because the Bank Nifty or Nifty has to fall under our level only, because everything is depends on the technicals. So at any time the Bank Nifty has to fall under level only. Once the Bank Nifty has reaches our level, you can execute the trade. Till then, be patient, hold your capital, don't lose your temperament. Okay, don't trade on excitement also. Okay, and I request you to please put the stop loss for every trade, which is very important. So we can't predict the market may on which direction will happen. Sometimes whatever I was given, it may go into the reversal also, so because of various factors. So always please keep your stop loss order every time whenever you execute the trade. I personally put the stop loss as a 1% of my open trade value. If it is a 1 lakh, 1% of 1 lakh. If it is a 10,000, 1% of 10,000. If it is a 20,000, 1% of 20,000, I will put the stop loss immediately once I executed the trade. Okay, this will save our capital and will enable us to take the trades in future also, because the capital is in our hands. Okay, hope you understand my point, and hope you guys noted down these levels, and I request you to please subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon once you get the subscribe to get the notification of post updates. Thank you so much. Bye bye, see you.